Much smaller yet interchangeable with previous models, the next generation Alfa Laval ThinkTop is based on the well-proven Alfa Laval technology. It is easy to interchange the classic Alfa Laval ThinkTop now used atop Alfa Laval valves with the new ThinkTop V50 and V70. A closer look reveals that the only difference between the two tops, besides their physical size, is the number of solenoid valves needed for the valve application. This makes selecting the right Alfa Laval ThinkTop very easy and straightforward. The smart mounting design on the Alfa Laval ThinkTop uses only one sensor target for all Alfa Laval valves. Moreover, design improvements on the adapter have increased its strength and durability. This innovative solution includes repositioning of the Allen screws, combined with the redesign of the adapter part, which has out-shaped holes that align with the mushrooms. This assures that the Alfa Laval ThinkTop attaches to the actuator in a straightforward, never-before-seen way, without the use of any additional adapters. This makes ThinkTop the simplest and easiest control unit to valve mount on the market. Instructions clearly marked on the inside of the Alfa Laval ThinkTop make it easy to install the wiring and to perform an auto setup or a live setup on the control board. If that's not sufficient, related information and instructions can be found using the QR code located on the exterior of the ThinkTop. Aesthetically designed, the Alfa Laval ThinkTop always points in the same direction upon installation. Plus, the installation and maintenance of the Alfa Laval ThinkTop is effortless due to the parallel air hose connections between the ThinkTop and the valve actuator. The Alfa Laval ThinkTop features a customer-centric design with fast and extremely intuitive auto setup. Simply press Select and then Enter on the Alfa Laval ThinkTop control board. It automatically recognizes and selects the valve type and matching valve tolerance band, then completes the auto setup. This reduces the setup time by up to 90% compared to other automated control units on the market. Once the initial auto setup is complete, the Alfa Laval ThinkTop monitors the valve and its positions, as well as carries out direct surveillance of solenoid valve or valves and the external sensor. This minimizes the risk of uncontrolled errors and increases production safety. In addition, the intuitive design matches the color-coded air hoses with a corresponding LED indication to identify the valve status easily. Its sleek profile includes 360-degree indication, making it easy to see the valve status from any direction, height or angle. Use the Alfa Laval ThinkTop on all Alfa Laval valves, past and present. Alfa Laval single-seat valves, butterfly valves, unique mix-proof valves, unique DVST valves and more. Smart, compact and hygienic, the Alfa Laval ThinkTop includes auto setup, a one-sensor target, adapterless operation, 360-degree indication, replaceable air fitting and color-coded parallel air hoses. All this makes it the right choice for any technology level, from the least to the most demanding automation systems. Welcome to the next generation of automated valve control, the Alfa Laval ThinkTop. Rethought.